Hello everyone, I am Erika of Beadingschool.com and this is a surprise speed beading drawing session. Last week during coffee time with Erika, coffee time with Erika, I made a live design session and the result is this brooch that you see on this side, the Frangipani brooch, using some of the newest 8x30mm pear glass cabochons in metal claw settings. That was my challenge, to use those cabochons well. And I asked you to help me, and I got lots of help. And the result is this brooch that I am super happy with. And when I asked if you would like to have the tutorial, then you said yes. And so many of you said yes, that of course I'm going to draw it. And then I had an idea, why don't I record? How do I draw it? I showed you how did I design it. Then maybe it's also interesting for you to see how I draw the illustrations. So, and after all that coffee, it would also be nice to see how fast can I do it. So this is a speed beading drawing session. I'm going to share with you my screen and let's see. I challenge myself for 15 minutes. Let's get started. So this is it, and obviously I didn't do the thread passes yet, and I had already the bead list prepared, so there is lots of work to do still. I will still need to put the illustrations to the PDF file and write the text and proofread, proofbead, whatever. Upload it to the bead shop, but yeah, 12 minutes, and together with all the talking, the basics of the illustrations are done. So this was it. And one more time, thank you so much for your help with your ideas when I was designing the Frangipani. You even helped me when I was trying to name it. And soon the PDF file is coming. Thank you so much, everyone. Happy beading. Bye-bye.